Alright, so a couple days ago, Will Smith slapped Chris Rock. People are still talking about it. But here's something else slap related. Here, take a listen.
Conference, and he was asked a ridiculous question by a ridiculous man, Fox News reporter, and that one kid in high school who wears a suit to gym class, Peter Doocy. Jimmy, drop the deuce.
When you said a chemical weapon used by Russia would trigger a response in kind.
It will trigger a significant response.
What does that mean?
I'm not going to tell you. Why would I tell you? You got to be silly.
Remember, yes. Remember how on last night's show I said that slapping is never, ever the answer? I'd like to file a one-time exemption on behalf of the President of the United States. And... No, it's wrong, Lewis.
You gotta let him know.
It's wrong. Doocy did not stop there.
The world wants to know?
The world wants to know a lot of things. I'm not telling them what the response would be. Then Russia knows the response.
Mr. President.
All right, I'm going to take two more questions.
Peter Doocy, Fox News. I've got two more questions. First, what are the exact locations of all of America's troops? And can you give me the nuclear launch codes? Just tell me, is one of them a 4? Can I buy a vowel, Mr. President? I'd like to solve the puzzle. Another feather in your map.
So yeah, this so-called comedian says that slapping someone is never okay, but he wants to make a one-time exception. Why does he want to make an exception on the Doocy part? Because that Doocy guy was asking Biden a tough question. I mean, respond in kind. What does that mean? Does that mean America is going to use chemical weapons if Russia uses chemical weapons? But doing as your enemy does, isn't America better than that? Example, everybody says Putin's a dictator. Anti-freedom, anti-freedom of press and all that. America's the land of the free and democracy, or, well, it's a republic, but lots of people say it's a democracy. But anyway, you know, doing as your enemy doesn't make you better than your enemy, it makes you just like your enemy. I suppose the case could be made that it's the whole keep Putin wondering about what he means by respond in kind. However, given Biden's track record, I wouldn't worry about it if I was Putin. Now, if it was Trump, on the other hand, that's a whole other ballgame. Speaking of Trump, am I the only one who remembers the left was saying Trump would start World War III? Yeah. So, anyway, that's my quick little ramble. Take care.